Hi guys, popped into a 7-Eleven quickly because I have eaten one square of those squares today with the I need to find out the name though, but yeah, with the rice and but I had a salmon one today. So I bought this little guy now, and this looks very interesting. So this is a steamed bun with custard cream, and it feels soft. Well, it will be because it's steamed and there's cream inside. But let's have a look. Where do you... Oh, it's in another plastic. It looks absolutely awesome. Yeah, it's fluffy. So, ooh. That was good. Now I feel better for the drive that lays ahead. So I'm making my way to the campsite I want to sleep at tonight. As with many of my travels, most of them, there's no planning involved, as in also no booking. So I don't know if they're going to be able to help me. So I'll see if I get there, but that's the nice thing of a campervan. If they can't help me, I'll find a parking somewhere or something, or a little mountain road, or check the FJ. I've also noticed that it does snow here, specifically where I am now, because we're at the foot of Mount Fuji, so it does get snow. It doesn't, not a lot, but many days of the year there's snow here, and then there's also on the roofs and on the roads there's a little bit of snow. So now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about a winter trip to Japan? I don't know how I'm ever gonna get to where I'm sleeping, because look at this. Guys, look at these massive trees. Oh, this is cool. But yeah, there's the whole entrance has got these statues, or whatever you call them, standing here, and then with these trees. I mean, this is absolutely massive, and they're all so straight. Super cool. Guys, just look at this. Yo, beautiful, eh? That is crazy. And then again with the Torii Gate. So 2.1 kilometers in the direction that I'm going is Mount Fuji station, and up here is Yoshi Taguchi climbing trail. It's up here. But yeah, this is this is beautiful. So guys, as I'm driving through this town, I notice a structure, like something in that's higher than all the buildings. And guess what it is? It's a roller coaster. More in detail where I am. This is where I came last night. So the onsen I was telling you about, that's right next to that place. I just need to find a spot to make a U-turn quickly. That thing seems massive. And I wonder how long it takes to do it, because it's long as well. It covers a big area. Let's go have a look. So guys, this is the difference between the old model that I'm driving and the new one. These look good, eh? Oh, I love it. They are so nice inside as well. Now to show you there. Very, very nice. And we look from the back as well. Oh, still quite similar. But yeah, looks a lot more classy. So there's people screaming and going on that ride. I would not do that. I would not do that. I'm not scared of things like that, but I'm wary of maintenance. Is that freaky or is that freaky? So they tried to convince me to go on the ride, and I was like, nope. I'll do the tower, I'll take a walk back on top, because then you can see Mount Fuji and everything just before the sun goes down. Well, it's already down, but before it goes dark. But I'm not climbing on that. I don't have an issue with it, but like I said, the maintenance, I don't know. My word, I'm very far from home. So why do you think they say no jumping on here? Oh my word. Wow. Well guys, that was fun. I enjoyed that. It's a pity the slider is closed. I wasn't aware that it's closed. So the slider, I don't think I've shown you guys, it's a pipe that goes around the tower downwards. You sit in like a little bag, sling bag thing, and you slide down. And the roller coaster starts on the other side. I also wasn't aware of that. So this is just a viewing deck and the slider that's on this side. This is cool. So nice. Now I'm gonna be sticky. Alright guys, so you know what I've noticed is that the Japanese people have a thing of chilling in their cars. Now I like it, I love it. I wonder if that is actually where it's from, because when I was younger, I mean, that was the thing when Fast and Furious and stuff came out. I mean, before that, but that was also in the movies. You know, people built PlayStations and stuff into their cars, and I even had a PlayStation in my first car back in 2005. But here it's still a thing. Like sitting at 7-Eleven and there's like 2 people in the car, or 3 or 4 people, or even someone alone as well. They're sitting there eating and the phone is up and they're watching something, or they're on the phone busy, or they, like, you can see they're scrolling somewhere on TikTok or whatever. So everyone's just doing their thing. And I noticed in Tokyo itself, in the city as well, there's like double lanes in the city, and the people park literally on the left lane against the sidewalk and hazards on, and then they chill there. Oh, and the cars are always running. That's the other thing. The cars are always running because the aircons, you know, that's running. Yeah, I mean, besides all the idling, all the fuel, I mean, I mean, why not? Anyways, so I bought, it looks like a hamburger bun, but it is a smooth, sweet red bean paste bun. How cool is that? And again, this thing looks so fluffy. I'm not gonna eat it now though. A little bit later. What I am gonna eat now is this little bowl. Tiny, but it is chicken, sweet vinegar and tartar sauce. That's in a little container, and yeah. So yeah. There's some soy sauce as well. I can taste it. This is good. Guys, I'm gonna finish this. And then I need to find a place to stay for the night. Oh my word, I've just dropped my chopstick. Can you believe it? So I'm clean and I'm ready to find my place where I'm gonna sleep. But I stop so often I don't want to get there. There is a very old Corvette standing there, the fiberglass ones. That is a strange thing to see here. Alright guys, onwards. Alright guys, so I am chilling out and I found my spot for the night. It's not the first one that I thought I was gonna sleep at. It's also not the second one. So yeah, what ended up as my spot is a public parking place in the countryside, and apparently this side there's a massive lake, and on this side there is a massive cliff, a mountain. But yeah, so I kind of have no idea where I'm at, but you know, that's part of the fun. That's part of why I'm in the camper van. But I met a very nice Taiwanese guy, and we had a chat for, I don't know, I want to say half an hour, but it was maybe like 45 minutes. And we just had a chat about everything. But him and his friends, they are actually traveling for about 8 days through Japan on motorbikes. Yeah, they are actually following a route for some anime story, and then you get collectible stamps or something and stickers if you stop at certain points or something like that. Yeah, and I've noticed, I think I've mentioned this in a previous video, is that Japanese people park anywhere and they keep the cars running with the aircon on, or with the heater if it's winter. So I switched all the lights off and everything, and the van is idling with the aircon on. Otherwise I'm dying of heat. I can't open the windows because the mosquitoes last night, they almost dragged me away. And the other thing, because I'm in the countryside but it's forest around me, like deep forest, like you guys have seen, there's spiders everywhere. So even when I walked around here to try and find the place, literally everywhere between the parked cars that has been parked today, it's everywhere. So I'm not keen. So windows closed. But yeah, aircon is on, and look how nice this is. I've obviously got my climate control back here as well for the aircon, so you guys can hear so I can adjust that. And then I've got these lights. Then I've got those two little lights there, and then there's obviously these three that works with those two as well, but I switched them off because they are different touch ones. So they are either yellow, like a warm white, or like a blue white, but they are too sharp. But these ones, you touch and they go off, and another touch and it goes blue. So this is actually, yeah, this is quite nice. You can see me. Hey, and there's still a mosquito in my car. I'm going to hunt quickly. Okay, it ended up not being a mosquito or some sort of muggy thing. But yeah, maybe it can still bite. The bite is okay, but the itching afterwards, that's the problem. But yeah guys, have a look at my setup. So I've moved my bag over there, so that works. I took the one cushion from the back out, so I score about 100 mils. Curtains for the back door is closed. I closed this side. I closed the front side to the cab, and they forgot to give me a little thingy for here to cover this window here, so I just put my towel over there. That one there does have a foamy, guys, but I just saw on WhatsApp now like an hour ago, at the time of recording, episode 1 of the Japan trip, the draft is ready. So Yanni, the editor, he finished it, and I'm super excited. So guys, that means that most probably the first Japan video is going live on Friday. So yeah, by the time you're seeing this, it's already been live quite a while ago already. So yeah, alright guys, anyways, I'm off to bed. Thanks for joining me today, and yeah, tomorrow we are on to more things. From tomorrow it's going to be a little bit different because I don't have any other responsibilities like Fuji Speedway anymore, so there's no more solid plans. So from tomorrow we're just winging it, we're just driving, we're seeing where we want to go, what we want to see. Alright guys, I'm off to bed. Have a good one. Thanks for joining me.